Hi everyone, in this video I will going to walk through the my dashboard which I have created, and the title of the dashboard is WaveCon Telecom 5G Impact and the Insights. This project is a part of the Codebasics Virtual Internship where I am going to explain about the all the insights, all the insights that I am getting from the that dashboard. So let's begin. First of all, let's learn about the company WaveCon Telecom. It's a technology leading company, and it's basically gives the service in network, and it's in across India, and it's also offers voice, 5G, 4G services along with the broadcasting digital communication solution. And it serves as the 150 million customer across the rural areas, and mainly focused on the digital transformation through the next generation connectivity and the innovative recharge plans. And along with that, it has the 5G services to meet rising data demands and enable future ready technology like VR, cloud gaming, etc. Now, uh, learn about what is the necessity of the launching 5G. Meeting rising data demands as 4G networks reach capacity and enable the ultra-fast speed and low latency for advanced technology, and to unlocking the new revenue stream and stay competitive in the market. 5G is essential to handle the future digital demands, enhance user experience and the drive business growth. And now I will walk through my dashboard that I created, and let's move to my dashboard. So this is the dashboard which I have created, and where you have the first one is this one is revenue. This is on is active revenue per users, and this is the total active users, and this is the total unsubscribed users. Okay, and now uh, you have the revenue collection list. Suppose this is MA. MA means the monthly average, and this is before 5G. You have the this much revenue, and after 5G you get the this much. From these two data, we can compare the two data, and we can conclude that after 5G launch, the revenue is dip little bit, and the changes is minus 0.5%. Along with that, we can see the revenue in some of the cities, like you can say in Mumbai, you have the highest revenue, total revenue, and in 5G, after releasing 5G, you have Mumbai is the highest revenue collector, and the changes you can see in this column. And after that, you can active uh, revenue per users. You can check. This is the graph where you have the city-wise column, and after that you have the average revenue per users, and this is before 5G, after 5G, and the changes. And the third, you have the total active users. So you can see uh, most users is comes from the city like Mumbai, Kolkata, and the Delhi, and it's throughout the same, and changes you can see here. And this is the trend chart of monthly sales trends from before 5G and after 5G. And this part, and this is the same thing, and this is change percentage. You can conclude from here. And this last part, in the bottom part, you can say the changes. Okay, we can say the changes affect positively is Patna, Jaipur, and Mumbai. That means they are getting the profit from it. But look at here in Kolkata and after Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, and Chennai, Delhi, they are seeing some negative effect. So we can conclude from this dashboard. Now move to the next part, that is market share. So in the top of the report, you have the slicer like month before 5G and the city name, and you can choose from here if you want to do the slicer. And this part is basically ribbon chart, which basically shows the value by market shares. These are the company which provides 5G or the uh, these services. So first one is PIOS MS, and the others, and the data phones MS, and the WaveCon MS, and the brittle MS. So you can see blue part, it hold the significant market share. After that you have the pink brittle MS. It also says the most market share, and after that you have the this WaveCon. Okay, it's has the this kind of market share. In January it have 19%, roughly 20%. In February in 20%. So we can see it's increasing, but after that it's start decreasing. So you can conclude from here. And after that, now this is the top city revenue wise: active users, unsubscribed user, active uh, rate per users, active revenue per user. So these are the top five city and the bottom five city you can see in the basis of the revenue. Okay, and after that you have this is the plan. Suppose a recharge company, they provide the multiple plans, and basis of the plan it provides a 13 plan P1 to P13, and you can see in P1 it has revenue like this much. Okay, most of the revenue comes from the P1 plans, and after that P2, P3, so on. And now you can see after 5G P11 and 12 uh, getting some revenue from here, and the total revenue of that plan is 4.2 billion. Before revenue before 5G is this much, revenue after 5G is this much. And the smart recharge pack 2 GB day combo for 3 months. This is the main plan. And you can choose from here which plan you want to analyze. Suppose I want to analyze D2 P2 plan, so you can choose from here easily. And we can see P11, 12, 13, these are not that much profitable because you are not seeing any values here, so it is not that much profit. And after that you have the city wise uh, data. First one is Patna, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, Raipur. Okay, these are uh, the top city is this one, and the bottom city is this one in the plan basis. Get it? Now move to the our um, Power BI file. So this is the file necessity, and now we just learn about the executive summary. 5G launch created the mixed revenue outcomes. Customer behavior shifting towards the high data, long validity plans, and some legacy plus underperform or becomes absolute post 5G. Strategic focus must shifted to data heavy combos, reduce the churns and the improve customer retention. And after that, let's see the impact of 5G launch on the revenue. So we can see in total revenue, we see some kind of dip, slightly change. It's before 5G, it has 16 billion. After that, it has 15.9 billion. So basically, it is not that much dip because now it start just beginning phase. So you can see like it's not that much. And after that city-wise trends, we can see revenue growth in some part of the country like Lucknow, Gurgaon, and Delhi and Chennai. experience decline. And market insights, you can say, after introducing of 5G, the market is stabilized demand for high data plans among users. So this is very good for the company. And after the overall impact, despite changes, the overall revenue remained neutral post 5G launch. So this is the overall impact you can get. Now after that you have the KPIs, important KPI for after 5G. The post 5G revenue growth has stayed stagnant, uh, indication for the lack of significant financial progress in the telecom sector. And you have churn rate. The industry faced challenges with the 12.6 million users unsubscribed, so concerning trends for the telecom providers. But despite that, uh, adoption insights. So despite the rollout of 5G, there has been no decreasing in the chance rate highlighted users retention issue. So for that, the company need to work on that particular field. Now, after that, you have a plan performance analysis. I told you few plans, they are very famous and they are very profitable, but like the few plan, they are not that much profitable and the least famous. The top performers, the Smart Recharge P1 surged revenue from 1.8 to 4.2 billion after the launches of the 5G or the most successful plan this quarter. And after that consistent growth, so the P2 and P3 plans, okay, and P10 to P13, they are in very struggle and the potentially they are in very declining phase, you can say. So companies should take the proper measure to um, change that plan or do the very big changes on that plan. Now you have the plants largely affected by 5G. So the P13 are under review and potential discontinue due to the 5G implementation, indicating need for this strategic adjustment. This is the negative impact. But the positive impact we are getting here is the introduction of 5G significantly enhanced the smart recharge pack, making it more beneficial for the users and uh, improving overall customer satisfaction. And now this is the discontinuity and disprioritized plans. 12 and 13 has yielded minimum revenue post 5G, leading to this reassessment. These plans show low use adaptation and the high chance rate promotion pro, promoting decision on their future. As a result, P12 plan has been discontinued while the P13 is undergoing to revenue evaluation and determine the validation of this plan. So this is very good for the company because they are ultimately reviewing their plans and making big changes on that. And strategy opportunity driven by the 5G. It's for operational challenges. Challenges is high churn rate and the network uh, con congestion in early rollout zones and the integrity complexity. These are the uh, challenges the company are facing after 5G launch. Now the what are the strategy and opportunity that can helpful for them is revenue, new revenue system like IoT, smart cities, AR, VR glasses, autonomous systems. This is very useful because on that particular sector, if we required high speed connectivity, so 5G is basically able to solve that problem. And enterprises solution like private 5G network and industrial autonomy. And the premium bundles, data heavy plans with the cloud gaming, video and streaming services. So these are basically affordable after the 5G launch. So these are good things about the 5G. And at the end, I can say this is the end of this presentation. And thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye.